everyone! I will be conducting an exclusive interview with one of the Bicol University students. So let's go and see who will be the lucky one. Tara! Guys, may napili na tayo. Ate, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello po, I'm Neriza Miranda, currently under the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
So, Miss Neri, of all the colleges and university, why Bicol University?
Why not? I mean, Bicol University is a premier institution and not to mention a highly respected one at that of a higher learning in the Bicol region. With its strict admission, it was able to house numerous board passers and successful professionals locally and abroad. And aside from this, the university offers a wide range of programs in different fields and an array of extra and intracurricular activities which provide us students with a well-rounded education and prepares us for the challenges of the 21st century. And speaking of board passers, proud akong sabihin that my college is able to produce countless licensure examination passers over the years. So, tara na sa SIBEM. One of its mantra is, basta magaling, sa SIBEM nang galing.
Facing the commercial center of the municipality of Daraga Albay is the campus of College of Business, Economics, and Management that already made its name not just in the town and province, but to the entire country and international community as well. Let's take a look at how welcoming our college is.
Why did you pursue accountancy here in Bicol University?
We all are aware that this university has a successful record on the CEPALI board exams. Another reason why I pursue this course is because this program offers top-notch training and practices that make students ready for the board exam. The pressure, training, and coaching of the Department of Accountancy might come forward as overwhelming. But as we try to understand, we will know that they just want every accountancy student to be prepared for how the real world works in this field.
How was BS Accountancy so far for you?
For me, it definitely is a roller coaster of a ride. You wouldn't know what you're up for. As one of the most in-demand jobs, this course will undoubtedly require a lot of effort, pressure, and commitment to earn the title CPA. But one thing is for sure, this will be all worthwhile.
So now that we learned so much about the school, your college, and the program, it's now time for you to tell us more about yourself.
I admit I'm struggling, cramming, balancing, and complaining a bit about life. But still, I am continuing to fight. I am still going on. Even if I'm just barely breathing, I'm barely surviving because I knew that I have dreams to achieve, and that is to become a CPA someday.
Wow, that's brave of you.
Let's just say I have no choice. No, kidding aside, I have started this journey already and there's no turning back.
So, how are the students of BU? Are they friendly or otherwise?
Throughout the course of my student life, I have met so many amazing people. I had so many unexpected friendships and they gave me the best company. I am really struggling and I feel like everything is just so heavy. But with their company, everything just became bearable. But to answer your question, I think that the students of Bicol University in general are great people. Most of them are kind and fun to be with.
Have you made a lot of friends already?
Yes, I already have my squad.
How was their company?
They are the best. I mean, we always do things together. I feel like they are my siblings. I am very comfortable whenever I am with them. I rant a lot to them, and thankfully they never get tired of listening to me. They feel like a home to me.
Can you share one of your core memories as a student?
Participating in the BU Hataw is one of those for sure. Your BU life will not be complete if you haven't experienced it. I remember it was raining that time, but the performance continued. We were dancing in the rain. We're having the best day ever.
Describe BU students and your experiences with them in one word.
Whoa, they are the BEST. I mean, the best. I can't think of any words to further describe them. I will treasure the moments that I had with them forever.
So, that's it for today's episode of Meet Me Behind the School. This has been Casey Lynn Mapolon. See you next time!